Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing a Doodle Crate, and I'm really excited about this month's Doodle Crate, and I'll let you know why in just 1 minute. And if you are new to my channel, I created this channel as a homeschooling resource to do unboxings, to give you organizational ideas and curriculum ideas, and just let you know what we like to do in homeschool. So if you're interested in those things, please subscribe below, and let's get into this box. So the reason I am so excited is because this month's box is homemade soap and a wood soap dish. So you're gonna learn simple soap making and design your own custom soaps. I just think that's super cool. And I think it's kind of, I don't know if it's difficult to make soap. It's been a long time since I made soap. I did a little bit with my mom when I was younger. And so I liked making soap with her, but I just remember it was kind of a little bit more work. And I guess if you just wanna try it out or have your kids try it out, this is a great way to do it. Just have everything come in this little box. So let's get in here and see what we have. So we have the instructions on the top with some pictures, it looks like, of the different types of soap. So here we go. Just a quick look at the instructions, and you can do marbled soap, it looks like, or maybe just plain colored ones if you want. And there's some different shape ones down here if you can see those. So I'm really excited for this. So in here we have, it looks like is it glycerin? Is that what you use for soap? I don't even remember. So there's that. It looks like some different food coloring right here. And a little beaker, a little dropper. What are these, eyedroppers? When I get on here, I just can't even remember what anything is called. You guys make me so nervous, I'm just kidding. And this looks like glue. I'm not sure if it's glue, but that's what it looks like. And then we have our little mold with our fish and our star and our leaf. And then this is a little silicone mold, it looks like, probably what you put your soap in so you can pop it out. And it says there it's a soap dish as well, comes with it, a wooden one. So I'm assuming that's what this is part of that wooden soap dish. And this is some popsicle sticks and some toothpicks. So, and then this looks like more glycerin, but this one's clear. So it'll be interesting to figure this out. Like I said, I haven't made soap in years, and it wasn't even me really doing it. It was mostly my mom. So I'm not super familiar with soap making. So it'll be interesting to see how this all works out. And I think my daughter's really gonna love it. So I'm gonna let her get into this and we'll let you know how it goes. just finished her Doodle Crate and I'm trying to eat her hair, so let's not do that. And this was a really, really fun craft. I really liked it. Did you like it? So we're gonna show you some of the soap we made. We made a lot of soap. So do you wanna help hold some of them up? So we have one with a star in it. And this one has a leaf in it. And then this one, we did layers of color. Kind of reminds me of Jell-O, like casserole. This one has our fish in it. And then this one has that marbled effect on it. And this is the dish that Alana was able to make. So what was your favorite part of this month's?
I liked how we had these we could choose the color of what we could do. You
like choosing the colors and like putting the smaller inserts in them. So you'd make these ones first, like the star or the leaves that had a mold for really small soaps. And you could either keep them as small soaps, that's the big mold, or you could insert them into other ones. So that was really fun, and we did that with all of them. So what was the hardest part, do you think?
Well, like to get this one all swirly.
To get it swirly, so putting in some of the marbling effect. So this one has slightly marbled, it's hard to tell because it's yellow. So that was a little bit difficult. So something that I thought would have been better with this craft is, so they gave you this mold and then they gave you a mold for all the small, like the leaves and the fish and the star. But I wish they'd given you another mold like this, because once you heat up the glycerin and put it in this mold, you have to let it set for usually about an hour before you can take it out and do anything else. And if you're doing the layers, you have to let each of those layers set for almost an hour. So it took a really long time. It took all day to make these 5 bars of soap. So it would have been nice to either have another square one or a different type mold that we could have also used, so we could have made more at the same time. But other than that, oh, and also, so it recommends you could put in some essential oils if you have them, if you want the soap, I keep wanting to call it glue. If you want the glue, no, it's not glue. If you want the soap to smell, you can put in some essential oils, but I don't have any essential oils. My mom has tons. But I wish they would have just included a scent, even if it was just one. It would have just been fun for the kids to be able to see that and to smell the soap. So it doesn't have any scent, like besides a little bit of, I don't know, a soapy kind of smell. But other than that, it has no scent at all. But I really, really like this craft, and I thought it was a ton of fun. And like I said, you have to plan more time because it did take all day to go through this soap. But they give you so much glycerin that you could make 5 bars of soap. So that was really fun. And so if you are interested in seeing more unboxings like this or learning more about our homeschool experience, please subscribe below and give this video a thumbs up. And we will see you next time.